So social media has now made it possible for loads of people to turn their passion into full business. So if you are someone who is thinking of how to start earning income on the internet, then this video is for you. So I noticed that the best side hustles to make money online or at home are not often talked about. So I have decided to make this video for you so that you can level up and stop feeling bad when people are making it large on the internet. Okay, if you go on social media now, you're going to see a lot of people living large where they get to travel the world, sleep in luxurious hotel and all those shenanigans, and you are there asking yourself, God, when? So this is what you don't know. Those people travel and still get paid. And that is going to lead me to side hustle number 1, which is UGC, user generated content. I know you've heard it before. If you haven't, don't worry, I've got you. With UGC, that is user generated content, you are going to be making content for brands. With this, brands will pay you to make content for their social media, to be posted on their social media, and they will pay you for your service. Okay, you don't need any following for this particular deal, but you need to be good at what you do. With us who are travel content creators, what usually happens is that you may get a brand who may get in touch with you, like a hotel, who will ask you to come to their facility to take photos or film in their hotel for their social, to be posted on their social media. Okay, and at the end they will pay you for your services, and you don't have to worry about posting the content on your social media if that is something you are worried about. Okay, right. So in case you are thinking, the first one is just too much for me, this is not something I'll be able to do, then probably number 2, which is quite easy, which I see a lot of people doing and which I've started doing myself, will be something you might have to give it a go. So let's look at number 2, and number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is where people partner with brands by putting the links of products in their videos, description box, or newsletters. Some even put it in their vlogs, okay, for people to sign up or purchase the items using their links, and they in turn make some commission from it. Okay, there are so many affiliate programs out there that you can check out, talking about booking.com, Amazon, Shein. And the common one, or the latest one I've seen loads of people do these days, is TikTok shop. So you see loads of people, loads of creators trying to sell something or advertise something on TikTok. Okay, so let's have a look at this video.
This is Erin on Demand, and today I'm going to show you how to sell your products on TikTok Shop. Now, I'm really excited for this because y'all know up in these ELD streets, we are all about selling products and having something of your own as a content creator and entrepreneur. And we are also about making that cash money. It's simple. And TikTok is making it a lot easier to do that.
This app made me over $100,000 in 1 month at 22 years old. And it honestly wasn't even that hard. Only 3 months ago, I had $525 in my bank account. And just last month, I made the most money I've ever made in a singular month. Like, actually imagine yourself in my shoes. I was washing dishes basically a couple months ago, and now I can do whatever I want whenever I want.
I see most of people sleep on this TikTok shop thing. In case you don't know, let me let you know that people are really cashing out from it. Okay, so yeah, try to have a look at it. Okay, so side hustle number 3 that we'll be talking about today, which is going to be the final one for today. I know there are loads of side hustles that you can research on, but these are just the 3 that I want us to discuss, especially if you are planning to do travel content or whatever be your content that you are creating on social media. You can monetize it. Okay, right. So the number 3 is brand sponsorship. Okay, this, depending on your kind of content, the brand will approach you for you to mention or talk about them in your video. So you could talk about them for the next 30 to 60 seconds in your video, and that's it. And they will in turn pay you for your hard work. But then the downside of it is that brand sponsorship don't always come, okay? Sometimes you have to do the hard work, put in the effort. You need to be chasing brands for this particular deal. And then also another thing is that they look at your audience, okay, your followers. You should have a number of audience to be able to get the brand deal. Aside that, you are totally fine. If you've got the numbers, you've got the audience, please, you can start pitching brands for contracts, okay? Now, disclaimer, okay? Disclaimer. This side hustles I've mentioned, they are not going to put the money into your account ASAP. It's going to take time and effort, okay? So you need to put in the work. You need to put in the work to be able to cash out, and try your best to create quality content or quality videos if you need this brand deals. Put in the hard work and you'll be fine. Right, so if you've watched this video to this point, I am believing or hoping that you find value watching today's video and you're going to start making something, okay? From, yeah, I know you are skillful. There are loads of stuff that you can do. Yet monetize those passions on social media. You've got great phones. Some of you have got quality phones, but you're not using it for anything. That is sad, okay? Make use of your phone and your talent, okay? Right, thanks so much for watching this video. If you find value, like I said, like this video, share it with your friends so that you'll be helping someone out there and the person will not be relying on you every time. Right, so yeah, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you again in another one. Keep watching the channel because I've got another vlog coming up.
Then I'm fed up, but I rock it like a baby in a cone. I put the water in the ocean in the city that